Imagine walking into a grocery store and knowing exactly which foods fuel your body best, not based on guesswork or generic advice, but on your unique DNA. Imagine a nutrition plan designed not for people like you, but for you. Welcome to Nutrigenomics, the cutting edge of personalized health and performance. Nutrigenomics is the study of how your genes interact with the foods you eat. It's not just about what goes in your mouth, it's about how your body responds to it on a genetic level. Think of it like this. Traditional nutrition gives you a map. Nutrigenomics gives you a GPS that's tailored to your body's biology. Let's break down what it is, why it matters, and how it's revolutionizing everything from fitness to longevity. What is nutrigenomics? Nutrigenomics looks at how specific nutrients affect the expression of your genes, and how your unique genetic code influences how you metabolize, absorb, and respond to food. Your DNA contains thousands of genes that influence everything from how you store fat, to how you absorb vitamins, to how caffeine or carbs impact your body. By analyzing your genome through a simple saliva test, scientists can identify genetic variants called SNPs, single nucleotide polymorphisms, that affect nutrient absorption, food sensitivities, metabolic rate, detoxification pathways, appetite control, blood sugar response, inflammation levels. Once these variants are identified, you can build a nutrition plan that works with your body instead of against it. Why generic diets? Fail. Let's be honest. Most diets fail long-term, not because people are lazy or lack discipline, but because they're following advice that's not designed for them. Some people thrive on high-fat, low-carb diets like keto. Others feel awful. Some can drink coffee late and sleep fine. Others get jittery with 1 cup. Some need more vitamin D, B12, or folate than others to function optimally. One-size-fits-all nutrition ignores these differences. Nutrigenomics embraces them. Real-world genetic insights. Let's get specific. Here are just a few genes that can change the way you eat and live. 1. MTHFR gene. This gene affects how your body processes folate, vitamin B9. A mutation here can lead to poor detox, hormone imbalance, low energy, and even mood disorders. People with this variant may need activated forms of B vitamins to function properly. 2. APOE gene. This one affects fat metabolism and cholesterol levels. People with certain APOE variants may not respond well to high saturated fat intake, even if they're eating clean keto diets. 3. CYP1A2 gene. This gene controls how quickly your body metabolizes caffeine. Fast metabolizers can enjoy coffee with fewer side effects. Slow metabolizers might feel anxious, overstimulated, or even increase their risk for heart problems with high caffeine intake. 4. FTO gene. Known as the fat mass and obesity-associated gene, FTO influences appetite and satiety. People with this variant may be more prone to overeating and may benefit from higher protein or fiber to feel full. 5. GSTM1 and GSTT1 genes. These genes affect your body's detox pathways, especially for processing toxins, pollutants, and oxidative stress. A missing copy of one of these genes can increase the need for antioxidants from food or supplements. These are just a few examples, but they illustrate the power of knowing your biology. How nutrigenomics enhances performance. For athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness enthusiasts, nutrigenomics offers a performance edge. By aligning nutrition with genetics, you can optimize recovery with the right nutrient timing, avoid foods that trigger inflammation or poor digestion, improve body composition by tailoring macros to your metabolism, prevent injury and fatigue through better micronutrient support, manage hunger and energy levels with smarter meal design. Even training style can be influenced by genetics. Some people are built for endurance, others for power. The same applies to how they fuel before and after workouts. When your food plan is backed by genetic data, it becomes a system, not a guess. How to get started with nutrigenomics. Step 1. Get a DNA test. There are several companies that offer nutrigenomic analysis. Some are focused purely on nutrition, others include fitness, sleep, or longevity data. You'll usually provide a saliva sample, mail it back, and receive a detailed report with your genetic variants, dietary suggestions, supplement recommendations, and even meal planning guidance. Step 2. Work with a practitioner. Optional but smart. While the reports are helpful, interpreting them properly can be tricky. A dietitian or health coach trained in nutrigenomics can help turn raw data into a usable, sustainable plan. Step 3. Experiment and refine. Even with genetic insight, no plan is perfect from day one. Use your data to start smarter, but track how you feel, perform, and recover. Over time, you'll dial in a system that's 100% yours. What about privacy? A common concern is, what happens to my DNA data? Reputable companies encrypt your genetic information and give you control over how it's used. Always read privacy policies carefully. You can also choose companies that let you delete your data after processing. Remember, you're not giving away your DNA. You're using it as a tool. Nutrigenomics isn't about perfection. One important thing to remember: having a gene variant doesn't doom you. Genes are not destiny. They're just a blueprint. What you eat, how you train, how you sleep, and how you manage stress still shape your outcomes more than any single gene. But if you know your blueprint, you can build smarter from day one. Nutrigenomics isn't about obsessing over limitations. It's about unlocking potential. The future of health is personal. We're entering a new era of nutrition, one where we don't rely on outdated food pyramids or fad diets. We rely on data, biology, and customization. What worked for your friend may not work for you. What used to work for you might not work anymore. Your body evolves, your goals shift, and your nutrition should evolve with it. Nutrigenomics bridges that gap. It's not just about eating healthier, it's about eating smarter. It's not about more supplements, it's about the right ones. It's not about chasing trends, it's about building your own system. Whether your goal is fat loss, muscle gain, longevity, or simply feeling better every day, Nutrigenomics gives you the roadmap to get there faster, with fewer detours. Final takeaway: you are not average. Your nutrition shouldn't be either. With Nutrigenomics, you can finally stop guessing and start knowing what to eat, when to eat it, how it affects your mood, recovery, focus, and future. The answers are already inside you. All you have to do is decode them.